purchased my first car ever.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Hi, Mama Poshi. Hi. Big smile. Ready to go pick up Mom? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So, finished work early today. It's a Friday. And drop babes off at the hospital for a quick procedure. And yeah, the hospital just ring me, so I'm gonna go pick her up. And that is that. By the time we get back here, it should be time to pick up Island. So that is that, my people. And also, I have good news. From you see the title and the thumbnail, this video is filled with a big surprise. I mean, it's not a surprise. As you would know right now, is that I purchased my first car ever. You know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. We're coming up. So don't go anywhere. We on a roll now. Let's go now. So earlier, when I went to drop off my wife and coming back, it was just pure traffic on the road. So this road right now is a back road. This is not the main highway. So here now you go through a lot of farmlands on both sides. You know, whether it be from live cattle farming to just agriculture, basically all type of different veggies and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is just a back road going through the mountain and things like that. So yeah, man, Australia is very diverse. You see a house there on the left, and that's just a big land space and a house in the middle. That's why you'll find a lot. People own hundreds of acres and things like that. So yeah, man, always nice to pass through these areas though. Now we have a creeper in front. Oh, he might give me away. Thank you. Country roads are different. Well, remind me of Jamaica, to be honest. Yeah, because these roads you'll find a lot of potholes. If you don't know the road, you'll easily run into a pothole. Some part smooth, some part pitchy patchy. You know what I mean? So this is a school zone. You see the light blinking there on the right. 40. So I can't go no more than 40. So I now made it back on the main road. We're in the town of Lismore. Once this town was flooded, when I actually was in Australia, like all of this that you're seeing was underwater. Literally, all cars, everything that you're looking at right here, over on the left hand side, these are obviously new cars, but everything that was there before flooded. You know, houses, businesses, everything, you know, was flooded. All the people that's living on the hill was saved. So you can imagine how badly this place was damaged. If you can see on your right hand there where you see those houses are fenced up, so those are actually houses that were bought from the government, you know, and people basically sell their homes and moved out of this area pretty much. Yeah, man. So all of those ones that are fenced up are bought by the government. It's a busy afternoon. Just wanna go pick up babe and go get to Island because the timing is ticking, to be honest, and it's lots of traffic. Guys, I just picked up wifey. And got a big needle there.
Yeah. Hi guys. Yeah, so you know, hubby just picked me up. I was in the hospital, went to do a procedure. I'm out now. I'm still a little bit drugged out from the sedation. Everything went well, thankfully, thank God. And yeah.
Yeah.
So,
We're trying to make it back home to pick up Island, but traffic
jam, guys. But yes, and hope everyone's good on Dave's side of the world.
Yeah, so traffic ahead, and yeah, should have took the back road, but one of them situations they gamble with it. You're like, should we go straight or should we, you know? But yeah. All right. Anybody ready for some car? Right now, me there inside of it driving. Yes, man. But I'm gonna stop and wash the car and show you all what it looks like. You know what I mean? If you're all from the family channel, you would have seen it. But in this video, I'll give more detail of the car. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, just stick around, don't go anywhere. You know, I just watched it and I'm about to show you all the cars, see me? Don't mind me, I'm sweating right now. Yeah, but I'll show you the car, people. So this is it. It's a Mazda. To be honest, I don't even remember the model. But yeah, it's a decent car and it have a, what you call it, a sunroof. So you can open here, let me open that. So use the button here to open, and on this one close it, you know what I mean? So, and I'm very curious, I just want to see like when it's actually raining. I just have a weird thing that I just want to see it raining, and I just like lay back here and look at the rain just pouring on it, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is my very first car, people, and yeah, this is not a brand new car. I purchased what I can afford and work with my budget, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, and the seats are leather, but one thing I didn't know about leather seats is that the first time I got into the car, that's when I realized how hot the seat them get, you know. So I definitely gonna have to get covers for the seats, because yeah, leather and sun agree. I now realize that, you know what I mean? So, but I love the car. It's very spacious and thing, and you know, for my first car I feel proud, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the inside. I have it for like a week now, you know what I mean? And this is the first wash, just give it. So ocean seat is there and thing, you know what I mean? So let's show you all the outside. So I said I just gave it a wash, so I have a few scratches and thing, but nothing major. sun really at my people. But yeah man, this is it. Nice little ride. Don't mind this is just from washing the car. Some soddy thing left on it. But yeah, what you all think? It's a good buy. So I love it. Alright. Okay, so the seats of the, you can put your cups here and thing like that. You know? So, yeah man. Pretty decent buy, you know. Start him up. And we are ready to go. Yeah man, so hope y'all enjoy watching this video and the purchase of my very first car. You know what I mean? Yeah, it feels good, you know, to be independent and achieve something for yourself, you see me? Yeah man, it's a good feeling. Yeah man, so with that being said, yeah, just more good news forwarding, you see me? Yeah, made us excited, the car for one, and just more good news, you see me? So yeah man, stick around for what next. It's normally, I wasn't really fussy to get a car, to be honest, because even going to work I can just ride the bicycle. It's just a 7-minute ride, so it wasn't really a thing that I desperately need a car, but you know, at times it was needed. So it's definitely a great buy, you know, and winter coming up, so you know, winter is a time where I can't ride a bicycle to work, so you know, definitely worth it. You know, and of course me and my wife share the car that we have, you know, so there's no fuss in that as well.
Mama riding in Daddy's car. Hey, and Island Boys.
Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today's coming to visit my house. Grandma didn't see her right
Yeah, you don't want to say that.
Today is the day where I'm back in the studio again to record a brand new song, and this one is for my son and my daughter, you know what I mean, Island and Ocean. So this one is a surprise. I wrote it like from last year, and I've been wanting to record it, and finally got the chance, so you guys gonna hear it, so stick around for that.
How do you feel, baby?
I feel good, you know. Very first time I can achieve something for myself and say, yeah, I'll be driving this on this roof rack. Can't wait to buy all a kayak and do some mad adventure. So